In this video, we will show the best faucets in India 2020 available to buy. At number 1, Kohler Cuff Health Faucet. At number 2, Alton SHR 20855 ABS Health Faucet. At number 3, Asian Paints SS Premium Quality Bathroom Health Faucet. At number 4, Sarah F80300103 Health Faucet. At number 5, Hindware F160013 ABS Health Faucet Cleaning System. At number 6, Alton Brass Sink Cock with Black Flexible Silicone Swivel Spout. At number 7, HOMELODY Single Handle Swan Neck with Double Flow Tap. At number 8, 10X Sink Tapped Flexible Faucet Softy with Double Flow. At number 9, Hindware F280026 CP Sink Cock with Extended Swivel Spout Wall Mounted. At number 10 10X Honey Brass Metal Swan Neck Flexible with Double Flow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.